Welcome to Johnson & Perrott Motor Dealerships. At jpmg.ie, you can browse from the comfort of your own home, with 8 brands to choose from and over 350 used cars in stock. If you spot your next car, simply make an inquiry and one of our team will be happy to help. We can even give you a live face-to-face video call or send you a personalized video presentation of the car you are interested in. If you choose to call to our showroom, be assured that all our cars are sanitized and touch points cleaned between visits. In addition, any car taken out for a test drive undergoes the same process, before and after each test drive. When you decide on your new car, we will be happy to arrange finance if required, and we will be delighted to have you either collect your new car from our showrooms or have it delivered to your home. Johnson & Perrott Motor Dealerships, a driving force in Cork since 1810.